Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect Google Sheets and Gmail in Make, so that every time a new row is added to your spreadsheet, an email fires automatically through your Gmail account. If that sounds useful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading to make.com. Sign into your account, and once you're in, click Scenarios in the left-hand navigation menu. This is where all your automations live. Click Create a new scenario. A blank canvas will appear. This is your workflow editor where you'll build the automation. The goal is simple. A new row lands in a Google Sheet and Make immediately fires off a Gmail message. Click the plus button on the canvas and search for Google Sheets. Select it from the app list, then choose Watch New Rows as your trigger. This tells Make to keep an eye on your spreadsheet and react the moment new data appears. Click Add Connection, sign in with your Google account, and grant the permissions Make needs to read your sheet. Next, choose the spreadsheet you want to monitor. Then select the specific worksheet, that's the individual tab where your data lives. Specify which row Make should start watching from, then click OK to save those trigger settings. Now it's time to add the second module. Click the plus icon after your Google Sheets module and search for Gmail. Select it, then choose Send an email as the action. Click Add Connection, sign in with your Gmail account, and authorize Make to send on your behalf. With Gmail connected, configure the email. In the recipient field, you can enter a fixed address or pull one directly from your spreadsheet, a great option when you're notifying the person who just submitted data. Write a subject line like New Lead Received, then move into the body. Click inside any field and Make lets you insert live values from your sheet. Names, phone numbers, comments, whatever columns you have. Once you've mapped in the data you need, take a moment to review the recipient, subject, and message to make sure everything looks right. And that's it. You've just connected Google Sheets and Gmail in Make, building an automation that sends a personalized email every time new data hits your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. If this saved you some time, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.